Football is the ultimate team sport. And I wouldn't be sitting here without all the great players that put on the Jaguars uniform. More than anything, this moment's special to me because of you. You've been with me every step of the way. You're the greatest fans in the NFL. There's no other place I'd want to play than right here in Jacksonville. And before I go, we're going to do one last thing. Duval! Thank you very much.
It's all about us today, man. It's all about us. We work way too hard to come out here and be mediocre, to be average. One of us stand in front of us, we dominated for 60 minutes. Let's win this shit, man. Let's go.
And we welcome you to a beautiful day on the First Coast here at TIAA Bank Field. A big day for the Jacksonville Jaguars to bounce back after last week.
Well, it is, and the Texans are the only winless team in the National Football League, so you'd like to think you can get this one. But I have a saying, you want to win the winnable games, Frank, in this Texans team, this is a winnable game.
Stay healthy. You suit it up. Stay healthy now.
We are ready for some football. So here we go. They go right to left. A five-man front for Jacksonville. From the right hash, they drop to throw. It's a blitz. Fires deep downfield. That ball is going to be knocked away. Cook's got a hand on it, but Darius Williams knocked it away from him. After that, it's an incomplete pass. The Texans go 3 and out, and they'll punt it to Jacksonville. All kind of running room 40, 45, midfield, knocked out of bounds in Houston territory.
How about Etienne now? 2 carries for 48 yards and a reception of 20. Now they got to find a way to make some points out of these big plays by Etienne.
Dropping his Trevor, throws it. That ball is caught by Chris Manhurst in the right flat. His tight end, he's going to have a first down. He ran it along the right sideline. On comes Riley Patterson. This will be a 26-yarder from the left hash. He's 7 out of 8 on the year. His only miss was a 37-yarder. Logan puts it down. Patterson kicks it up. The field goal is good, and Jacksonville strikes first with 1:22 to play in the first quarter. So now the Texans, as we start the second quarter, go left to right. They have a 2nd down and 3 from their own 45-yard line. 2 tight end set. They run it with Pierce again. He's into the open field and into Jaguar territory. Got it inside the 45-yard line. That's a good run. A little bit of a stutter step, and he got it to the 38-yard line. Amy Fairburn, the veteran, will attempt what it looks like a 49-yard field goal. He puts the foot to this, does Fairburn, and the 50-yard field goal is good. And the Texans have tied the score 3-3 with 12:24 to play in the first half. So they are going to go for it on 4th down. He drops 4-man rush. Trevor fires middle of the field, and that was intended for Christian Kirk, but it is knocked away. And on comes Amy Fairburn again. He made a 50-yarder earlier. Johnson puts it down. Fairburn kicks it up, plenty of distance, and that field goal is good. Suddenly the Jaguars face a 2nd down and 18. Fires middle of the field. That ball is caught by Evan Ingram. He went up and got it. Right clock turns. Jags have all 3 timeouts if they need them. Caught by Dan Arnold on a corner out to the far side near the 20-yard line. This will be a 45-yarder. He is 8 out of 9 on the year. His only miss has been a 37-yarder that hit the upright, so he has been very good. Logan gets it down. Patterson kicks it up, and the field goal is good.
Well, 9 plays, 51 yards, and 2 big plays on the drive. You had a 25-yarder to Ingram on that seam pass. Great throw by Trevor Lawrence, and then Dan Arnold for a 20-yarder. And then finish that drive off with that 45-yard field goal. Knocks it up at 6.
Now, please welcome to the field, Hall of Famer, Tony Boselli.
Earned the Hall of Fame jacket. You've earned the love and respect of the entire community. Only one thing missing: the official retirement of number 71 by the Jacksonville Jaguars.
It's a defensive game. The Jags have been good at times, but the bottom line is it's been a defensive game. 4 field goals, 2 per team, and that is where we stand. So let's see how the Jags do methodically to start the second half. They start from the 25, the left hash. Dropping to throw is Trevor. Fires deep downfield. That ball's caught by Evan Ingram in the middle of the field. That'll be a first down into Houston territory. That's going to be caught. Marvin Jones Jr. wide open in the middle of the field. That'll be a first down. He got it to the 29-yard line of the Houston Texans. 9th play of the drive here on second down and a yard from the 7-yard line. Rolling right is Trevor. Looking, still looking. Fires back in the end zone. That's picked off. He threw it into the back of the end zone. He threw it into coverage, and it is picked off by the rookie Derek Stingley on 2nd and a yard.
He never saw him. He never saw him. It was his own coverage, and Trevor's intended target was Zay Jones coming from left, moving to the right. But Derek Stingley Jr., the first-round draft pick rookie, was sitting all the way to the right, out of his vision. He doesn't even have to move to make the interception.
Oh boy, you got to count on your defense now. 6-6 game. Play fit. The Jags blitz him. The Jags are going to hit him. They're going to sack him inside the 30-yard line. An all-out blitz. Lloyd and Aluakon both came on that, and they got him inside the 30-yard line. Jags might have been offsides there.
Whoa. Slow down. Trayvon Walker just gave him a first down.
That is really going to be a mess. It was going to be a 5-yard offside penalty, and now it's going to be a personal foul on Trayvon. That's going to give him a first down.
You can't have a penalty to give him a free first down. The play was dead. Trayvon Walker doesn't know it. He gets in the backfield. He grabs Davis Mills. He spins him around and throws him down, but the play was dead.
They run it with Dameon Pierce again. He breaks a tackle. He breaks another tackle. He is inside the 10-yard line. He breaks another tackle, and he dives forward to the 2-yard line. The rookie running back just ran it all the way down to the 2. That is a 20-yard carry. They hand it to Dameon Pierce. He is into the end zone for the touchdown. And the Texans have scored the first touchdown of the game and have taken the lead with 3:11 to play. Last play of the game, shotgun for Trevor. It'll be a Hail Mary. Then he drops, steps up, still scrambles around. Scramble around the backfield. You just got to let one fly, Trevor. Fires. He's hit as he let it go, so it's well short of the end zone, and it is picked off by the Texans. They are running it back. King is running it back. He's just going to step out of bounds, and that'll end the ball game. The Texans have won it 13-6 over the Jacksonville Jaguars here at TIAA Bank Field.